Today, for the 365 drink project, we have the Knickerbocker. For this, you will need gold rum, triple sec, lime juice, raspberry syrup, and fresh raspberries. First, put in your half an ounce of raspberry syrup, then 1 ounce of lime juice, followed by half an ounce of triple sec, then 2 ounces of gold rum. Add your ice, give it a good shake, add crushed ice to your old-fashioned glass, strain into your glass, garnish with fresh raspberries, and there you have a Knickerbocker.